Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Runway AI in 2026. So if you want to create AI videos, generate visual content, edit footage, or experiment with powerful creative tools, Runway AI is a great platform to explore. First, sign in to your Runway account and open the dashboard. If you're new to the platform, create an account and complete the initial setup process. Next, take a moment to explore the available tools. Depending on your plan and current features, you'll typically find options for video generation, image creation, editing, and AI-powered effects. Now start the generation or editing process and wait while Runway processes your request. The time required may vary depending on the complexity of the task. Once the result is ready, preview the output and check whether it matches your expectations. If needed, refine the prompt or settings and generate another version. When you're satisfied with the final result, use the export option to save the project to your device. Finally, keep experimenting with different prompts, styles, and creative tools. So the more you use Runway AI, the better you'll understand how to get the results you're looking for. And that's it. That's how to use Runway AI in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.